In this video, I'll show you how to fix Trust Wallet not showing your balance. If your balance isn't appearing, here are the steps you should try. First, check your internet connection. Trust Wallet needs a stable connection to sync with the blockchain. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and make sure any VPN or proxy is turned off, because they can interfere with the app. Next, refresh the wallet. Simply close and reopen Trust Wallet a few times and see if the balance updates. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of the app, because outdated versions can cause display issues. Another thing to check is token visibility. If a specific token isn't showing, it may not be enabled. Go to the home screen, tap the search icon in the top right corner, and make sure the correct token and the correct network are selected. Being on the wrong network is a very common reason for missing balances. If that still doesn't work, clear the app cache. Open your phone's settings, go to Apps, find Trust Wallet, open Storage, and then clear the cache. This works on both Android and iPhone, although the menu layout may look slightly different. If you recently sent or received crypto, sometimes the blockchain network is congested, which delays the balance update. In that case, you may simply need to wait a few minutes or even a few hours before the balance appears. And if none of these steps solve the problem, your best option is to contact Trust Wallet support. Search for Trust Wallet support on your browser, open the official help page, and explain your issue clearly. They should be able to help you further. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.